Assalamualaikum, respected learners. Today I am going to demonstrate a fabric. This is a rib derivatives 2x2 lycra fabric. It is most commonly used derivatives of rib structure in the knit garments. First of all, I will show you the process of identification of this fabric. Yes, there is no technical differences between these two sides because this is a balanced structure 2x2 rib structure, but in the production state this side remains the outer periphery of the circular cylinder and this side remains inside the cylinder during production. It is clear to us that there are two horizontal row of loops. Now we will start unraveling. I am coloring two wells here because the two face wells are present in this position. Let me show you the face walls and back walls. These are the face walls and these are the back walls. So these two loops are face loops, these two loops are back loops. So it's a very simple structure that there are two face walls and then two back walls, again two face walls and back walls. As I mentioned earlier, it is a lycra fabric, so these are the lycra yarn, these are straight here. So this is our first course. Now back loops and then two face loops, again two back loops, two face loops. The colored wells we have to see, these are two back loops, and in the colored portion two face loops, again two back loops. So this is our first course containing two face walls and two back walls. This is a point paper. I am numbering the course here. As the first course contain two face loop and then two back loops, again face loop, again two back loops. This is our starting mark. These are back loop and these are face loops. This is our second course. In case of second course, one lycra yarn and one cotton yarn is coming out. Lycra yarn is more elastic. In the colored portion, again two face loops and then two back loops, again face loop and two back loops. So in case of second course, two face loop, two back loop, two face loop, again two back loops. And for lycra yarn I am using red colored. So this is lycra. In case of third course, in the colored portion again two knit loops and then two back loops. This course contain no lycra yarn, two face loop and then two back loops. In case of fourth course, there is a cotton yarn and a lycra yarn is coming together. Again in the colored portion, two face loops and two back loops. So all the courses are same in construction. Two face loop, two back loop, two face loop, two back loop for lycra. So we got the structure here. There are four courses. We can figure out the repeat now. It is a 2x2 rib structure. So every course is a repeat. We can say one course and four wells is a repeat for basic 2x2 rib structure. But in case of lycra 2x2 rib, we can say two course and four wells will be the repeat because the lycra yarn is coming in the alternate courses. In case of 2x2 rib structure, only this will be the repeat. There is a course containing 4 wells, well number 1, 2, 3 and 4. In case of lycra rib structure, it will be 2 courses and 4 wells because the lycra is coming in the alternate feeder. So it is very clear from this diagrammatic notation that the odd number feeder will contain no lycra yarn, but in case of even number feeder, the feeder will contain both lycra and cotton yarn simultaneously. If there are 42 feeders will contain cotton yarn and 21 feeder will contain lycra yarn. So this is a half feeder lycra fabric. So we can say half feeder lycra fabric. Now we can figure out the needle set out for this fabric. This is a rib derivative, so we can do the needle set out in 2 methods. This is a cylinder, these are the trick, this is the dial, these are the dial trick. I will draw another cylinder here. 2 process using 2 butt needles. These are the needles, butt 1, butt 2. We will use only the needle of first butt position. So there will be 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1 and next will be 2. Only butt 1 will be active. In case of dial will be 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. If there is only single butt needles, then in the third trick needle will be dropped. So this is the process of needle drop. There will be no needle in the third trick. So needle, active needle, there is no needle. Again 2 needles, there will be no needle. Again 2 needle, and the third trick there will be no needle. In case of dial, no needle, 2 needle, no needle, 2 needle, no needle and then 2 needle. It is the simple presentation of needle set out like brick built cylinder dial. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. In case of dial needle, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1 and then 1. If we try to draw the course of 2 by 2 rib structure, so this is the 2 by 2 rib structure with this needle arrangement. In case of needle drop, this will start with 1, 1, drop, 1, 1, drop. So this will be drop, 1, 1, drop, 1, 1. If we try to draw the course, in case of 2 butt system, the cam arrangement, 4 feeder, these are cylinder cam system, dial cam system. In case of first course, and every course is similar here, so there are no differences between these 4 feeder cam systems. In case of cylinder needle, only needle butt position 1 are active, so there will be need cam, and butt 2 needles are inactive, so there will be missed cam. This track is for first butt track, second butt track. Similarly, this is for first track and this is for second track. Similarly, there will be need cam and there will be missed cam. Actually, a second butt position needle has no function in this system. In case of needle drop, feeder 1, all feeder will contain need cams only because this is single track, as there are no needles, so another cam track is absent here. So thank you very much for watching this video. Next time we will meet another video, inshallah.